This week's What's New segment is brought to you by TuneX of South Jordan and West Valley. More than just tune-ups, we're off-road.
Oh goody, I'm so excited. They are finally starting to show up. The 2020 models of the different trailers and RVs. Hi, Chad Booth here with this week's At Your Leisure product review. We are at Parris RV at their south location, and we are looking at XLR Boost's 37TSX13. And when you hear the value of this deal that they've got going, you are going to be floored. So let's take a look at some of the outside features on this unit. So obviously we're dealing with a fifth wheel here, and we've got triple axles on it. Got a lot of storage up front. It goes all the way across the other side, comes with a table, and of course it's got all of your gearing. Power awnings, both front and back. So this has got two of them on either side of the slide-in. Notice they are legless. They are fully self-contained. This has got a big power plant on it, which it will need because it's got two, not one, two rooftop air conditioning systems. You've got a hot and cold running water shower, outside shower. I kind of like this one because they got a little stand there in the door. It's not just a shower head stuck inside a closing door. You've got a fuel station. They have a 40-gallon tank on here that feeds the generator and whatever it is that you put inside of it. So they've got a gas nozzle on it. One thing that I really like about this one, they actually have a fuel gauge on the tank right here, so you can see what your fuel supply is like at an instant. So on the back end of the XLR Boost, the 37TSX, we have the garage door. Spring-loaded, so it's easy to raise up and down. You can bring it up into deck mode as well. The main living area on the 37TSX has a kitchen island in it, which has got storage on the back side, a lot of counter space for food prep. They've got a combination microwave convection oven. On top of that, we've got a 3-burner propane stove. Now, let's take a look up the front end before we go to the back end. Up here in the nose of the trailer, there's plenty of space. I'm 6'1", so it's got adequate height room for a nose cone. It's got a king size, an RV king bed in it. And then it's got a slide on this side where the armoire is, or the hanging locker, and private entrance to the front bath. All right, heading to the back, you got an entertainment center right here, and something really unique that I've not seen before. You have an L-shaped bunk for the kids. So you've got a bunk ladder here, you got space for two here, and then you can take Shorty and you can put him in his own bunk right here across the end. Isn't that fun? So it's called the 37TSX13. What's the 13 for? 13.5 feet of garage space. And then this converts into a private area, obviously sealed off with a door, and it's got bunk space in the back for another 4 people. They've also managed to pack into this space another half bath, so that people who are back here don't have to go wake up mom and dad in the front if they need to use the restroom in the middle of the night. Nice feature, second door, so you really have like two apartments in one. This unit is priced, are you ready for this? Under $50,000. 37 feet of toy hauling fun, under $50,000. To find out the rest of the things about it, just come on down to Parris RV at 5545 South State and check it out in person. That's all the time we have for our What's New this week. I'm Chad Booth, and At Your Leisure, we'll be right back.